I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to cancel your DC Universe subscription. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to dcuniverseinfinite.com, and then sign into your account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click your profile icon on this screen to open a menu, and then click Settings. Step 3. Scroll down to the subscription section and then click inside of that section. The subscription changes window opens. Step 4. Click Cancel Subscription. The next window asks if you're sure you want to cancel your DC Universe subscription. Step 5. Click Cancel Subscription. You'll likely see offers on the next screen trying to get you to stay. Step 6. Click Cancel Subscription again. The next window will let you know that your DC Universe subscription has successfully been canceled. Additionally, you'll see how long you'll have access to the service through. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.